Hello everyone, welcome to SRN Knowledge Center. I am Vipul Vyas, faculty at SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss the topic Bani, Thani, also known as Radha, that is from class 12 Fine Arts. So let's start our today's topic. Bani Thani was a singer and poet in Kishangarh in the time of Raja XI-XII. Bani Thani was painted by an artist by the name of XI-XII. A group of Indian miniature paintings of around 1750 attributed to XI-XII from the school of Kishangarh showed Krishna and Radha using the same models who are assumed to be XI-XII and Bani Thani. Bani Thani is depicted with elegant and graceful features, including arched eyebrow, lotus-like elongated eyes, and pointed chin. One painting of hers was featured in the Indian stamp that was issued on 5th May 1973. This painting has a special place in the treasure of Indian miniature paintings. Faces are mostly in profile, with a very stylized eyebrow and smile on the lips. The painter was inspired by the poem of Raja XI-XII, who describes the beauty of a lady called Bani Thani in his poem. The beauty of this woman is symbolically used to describe the beauty of Shri Radha. Her smile is so beautiful, her eyes reflect the ideal beauty of classic Sanskrit literature. It has been labeled as Indian's Mona Lisa. Adding to the richness of the theme of this painting is the color of gold that has been derived from pure 24-karat gold dust added to her innate grace. If you like the video, then please like and share it. Also subscribe our channel SRN Knowledge Center. Thank you. Have a nice day.